In a small village surrounded by green hills and forests, there lived a kind boy named Arjun with his grandmother, Lakshmi. Their little house was old and simple, but it was always filled with love. Every morning before school, Arjun helped his grandmother fetch water and clean the garden. Although they were poor, Grandmother Lakshmi always taught him an important lesson. If you help nature, nature will help everyone. One hot summer, the village became dry and dusty. The trees near the school had been cut down, and children struggled to sit outside because of the heat. Even birds stopped visiting the village. One day at school, the teacher asked, "What can we do to make our village beautiful again?" While everyone stayed silent, Arjun raised his hand softly and said, "We can plant trees." Some children laughed at him. "Will one small tree change the whole village?" they mocked. But Arjun did not lose hope. That evening, his grandmother gave him a tiny mango sapling. Together, they walked to the empty ground near the school and planted it carefully. Every day after school, Arjun carried water in a small bucket to keep the plant alive. Days passed, then months. Slowly, the tiny sapling grew into a strong green tree. Birds returned. Children started sitting under its cool shade during lunch breaks. Inspired by Arjun, other students began planting more trees around the village. Soon, the dry village turned green again. On Environment Day, the villagers organized a big celebration at the school. They decorated the streets with flowers and invited everyone to gather near the beautiful tree Arjun had planted. The village head smiled proudly and said, "One small act by one small boy changed our village forever." Arjun looked at his grandmother in the crowd. Tears of